Samsung is already working on its next big phone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and now we finally have solid proof that it will come with One UI 8.5, which is based on Android 16, a few days ago. People spotted the first software version for the Galaxy S26 Ultra on Samsung's servers. At that time, it wasn't clear what version of One UI it was using. Some people guessed it might be One UI 8.5, but there was no proof. That has now changed. Thanks to Sammobile, we now have confirmation. They got access to the firmware with version number S9 for 8USQUOAYG8. It clearly shows that the phone will run Android 16 with One UI 8.5. So, this is the first real proof that One UI 8.5 exists and will launch with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Before this, only leakers like iSnivers were talking about One UI 8.5. They said it would launch with the S26 Ultra, but we couldn't be sure. Now we know for a fact that it's real and in the works. Samsung seems to be changing how it releases One UI. Updates, big full version updates like One UI 9.0 will now likely launch with foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold series. These phones usually come out in the middle of the year. Meanwhile, phones like the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which release early in the year, will come with X.5 versions like One UI 8.5. Why is Samsung doing this? It's trying to match its update schedule with Google. Google now releases new Android versions in the middle of the year instead of near the end. So Samsung is adjusting its software releases to stay on track. This might lead to faster updates, fewer delays, and smoother performance overall. Now, what can we expect from One UI 8.5? Samsung hasn't officially shared any features yet, but people have started guessing. In one online poll, most people said they want better battery life. Some want a fresh new design, others are hoping for faster updates or new AI features. In 2025, AI has become a big part of smartphones. So, One UI 8.5 might bring more smart features. Maybe we'll get things like AI-created wallpapers, better smart replies and messages, live translation right on the device, or even smarter cameras. Samsung already started using AI in the Galaxy S24 series. This could be the next step. Of course, the S26 Ultra is not just about software. The phone itself will likely get some great upgrades. Rumors say the screen might be brighter or use less battery, charging could be faster, though we don't have full details yet. The design might also change a bit. It could borrow some design ideas from the Galaxy Z Fold or the Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung usually updates the look every year, so we can expect a sleek and premium design again. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will probably launch in early 2026. That's a few months after Apple releases the iPhone 17 series. So, once again, it'll be Samsung versus Apple, two major phone launches fighting for the top spot. What's exciting is that Samsung is already testing the software this early. That's a good sign. It means they're trying to finish and polish it ahead of time. This usually means fewer bugs and better performance when the phone finally launches. Also, now that One UI 8.5 is confirmed, we'll likely start seeing leaks or teasers about its features in the coming months. Fans will be watching closely for any new information. To sum it up, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is going to be a big release. It'll come with One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. Samsung is trying to improve how it handles updates and features. If the phone offers good battery life, smart AI tools, a better screen, and fast software, it could become one of the best phones of 2026. So far, things are looking very good. One UI 8.5 is real. The S26 Ultra is in development, and soon, we'll know. Even more, let's see what Samsung delivers next.